Hello, John Kielec here from DailyNetPay, the private trade shares live real trading for Friday, December 14, 2018. Now, I'm going to get these videos updated as often as I can, at least 3 times a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays. But since the festive season's coming, which is Christmas around, and shortly after Christmas we're leaving for down south, I'm going to be a very busy schedule, so I will try to do those 3 days. If not, they might be just 2 days of recording during the week. But anyways, the updates will go out, and this week this is the second recorded version. Even though in the trading room I am in there in the morning. Today we had actually 7 people in the trading room. They kind of come in and go. And sometimes, I'm not in the trading room all day. I leave the trading room open for DNP PTS, but then I put it on pause. But anybody can text. You guys can talk. You can exchange ideas with each other. You can ask questions. But usually, if I'm not around, I might be away from the computer or doing some other DNP work. But anyways, today let's get to the market, and I'm going to tell you one thing. This week was hell of a week in trading markets. The markets were very volatile. The Bitcoin hit the new lows. The markets were just up and down. Even certain methods didn't work the best, and I didn't have such trading week probably in the last 3-4 months. We came ahead with profits anyways, but the profits were low, and I didn't trade high amounts of money because the risk-reward ratio, I try to keep it low, especially in such volatile markets as they were all this week. Okay, so let's get right to the market. Okay, we are using our Owanda, and what I'm going to show you, I'm just going to close this thing, what we have traded today, and basically you see the summary for today, for Friday, December 14th. We had 6 wins. The total 6 wins end up with $225.74. We had 2 losses. Those 2 losses end up to $87.58. So we only got a profit for today of $138.16. Far from $1,000 days. But anyways, they're coming. It's just, like I say, it was a rough, tough week of trading, and the profits were minimum, were small, but they were still profits. And we have opened 2 trades left that are being carried over to Monday morning, because no Forex trading after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so no Forex over the weekend. So you can see we've done total of 8 trades. Okay, you can see trades in here, and you can see the profit. These in red it's the minus, and in green it's the profitable trades. Our biggest profitable trade was $100.92. A second one was $92.40. Then it was $15.90, and there was very, very small ones because the markets were moving so fast I couldn't even keep up what to do, even though we had trailing stops and stuff like that. But anyways, this week was rough. And you can see open trades in here, and we can see the unit slots. The unit slots, that's thousands of dollars. We traded 20,000, 10,000, 20,000. A couple of trades with 50,000 units, $50,000 units, and we have 2 open trades, one with 20,000 units or dollars, and 15,000. These are both markets for going down, Euro USD and New Zealand USD. And you can see right now we are in minus with those 2 accounts, but they're not. That does not mean we lost those trades, because we were in, trading is. This is why I didn't exit or execute those trades, because I know both of these will be profitable first thing Monday morning or by 9 o'clock in the morning. I just got caught up in these, and instead of exiting, I would lose that. So I don't like losing. Okay, so these are the markets. So what happened, okay, this is the Euro USD. This is the one that is left over. Okay, you can see everything is set up. Okay, the market, it just 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, it just went down at 3 o'clock in the morning. Just when London daybreak opened, London trading opened, the market just fell apart. But anyways, I thought over here it's gonna, come back. It's gonna retrace, and it went all the way down here. The signals were pointing that the market is going to go way down to below, this level. So I went for markets down. It went tiny bit down, but then it started going up. So it retraced back, and we are stuck over here with right now minus $96.14. But like I say, you can see it went up. This is the high. That high was not broken over here, and the market started to go down. And I'm very sure we're going to end up with profit Monday morning in here. Okay, these are the markets that I trade. This is where was the biggest trade, most profitable trades. This was, like I say, how much did we trade? GPUSD. GPUSD was $10,000. We should have went for 25,000, but anyways, okay. So this was also the market went down. We got in here for prices to go down. You can see the blue. That was the target. Target was reached. It even went a little bit more, but that don't matter. And we profited $100.92. Okay, AUD USD, okay, this target was over here going up here. That never reached the target, so, we didn't bother with this one. Japanese, or British pound against Japanese, there was a couple small trades in here. What happened, okay, there was another... this was another small profit. You can see that this was the target for prices go up. Target to take profit was over here, but actually this target was never reached, and the market reversed, went down, and this USD Japanese yen actually was one of our trades where we lost $37.96. As I show in here, yeah, okay, see this one, 37.96. So that was one of them. Then, it's just the way it happens. I should have set the target about 50% of that, but it was a very strong signal because it came down. Then the new low was, this was the low over here. Then all of a sudden, everything pointed higher and higher, and you can see lower, higher, high, higher, high, higher, high, and higher, high, and all of a sudden over here the market just crashed. Okay, so next time I'm going to be doing some 5 pips trading stop when we get to about have 50, 60 bucks and go that way. So at least we would have not reached our targets if it did go up there, but we would have got some profits instead of a loss. But, that's a lesson learned, and that's the way it is with volatile markets, and that's the way it is in Forex or any kind of trading. The second one was US dollar against Swiss franc, and this one worked quite well. We went actually before here. As soon as I've seen this, it gave me a signal for prices to go up. Actually, I wanted to enter over here, but I says, well, this is strong enough. It went all the way up here when it opened, and I said, no, I'm going to get in the market. This was the market order, but I got in here. This was our target. Target was reached, and we got $92.40. And once again, USDCHF, USDCH, this was $20,000 units or $20,000 account. Okay, so we got a little profit in here. Okay, so USD Canada, Canadian dollar. This was the losing trade from the day before. 3 days we were losing it with USD Canadian dollar, and eventually we got stopped out with $55.75 loss. You know, you guys, we would have lost a lot more. Look, we got stopped out over here because we were going for prices down, and we got stopped out over here. Then I got a little bit of $2.50 profit. Then we got stopped out again. But look at where the market was. And originally over here, there was another target. We made a little bit of money. But the market turned against us. You can see the target over here almost made that target, and the prices went down. So once again, trading stops, 5 pips. Sometimes they get stopped out too fast, but sometimes in such cases, it's rather take $50, $100 profit instead of losing, because this was another one that we lost of. Little bit of money, $40 or whatever. But anyways, or 55.75 we lost because of this. But anyways, that's the way it is. You can't win them all. There's always something. And in here, this is New Zealand in USD, and you can see it's going to be carrying over till Monday. This is where we went for prices down. This is our target. That's what the signals were pointing. The market, when we entered, was heading our way. Now all of a sudden it reversed and went up. But as you can see, it's coming back, and we're almost at our buying entry point, and I'm very sure, I got no doubts whatsoever that Monday we're going to reach this target of down here and make a little bit of money here. So that's what that's what the trading was all about today. And once again, this is a new page where you're going to see all the trades, all the balances for each trade and stuff like that, how much money was made, what open trades are left, and daily profits you're going to see in here. Okay, so this is it for Friday, December 14th, and Monday morning I might do a recording. I'm not sure. I'm going to have a very busy next week. I'm going to be doing a lot of automation trading, which, basically, well, you can see, like, this is automated over here, Euro USD. It's $20,000 account going short for prices down. This is stop loss, okay? This is take profits, okay? And this is the price. This is the entry price, and the current price got stopped, closed at, for the weekend, 1.131.01, and right now we're minus 96.14. This almost before 5 o'clock was down to $46, but then the market went the other way. It's volatile market. It goes up, then it shoots down or shoots up, and that's where the volatility comes in. But anyways, you can see that. So Monday morning, I don't even have to be at the computer or anything like that, because as far as stop losses, the only thing, trading stop, I got to place that in here. And this is something I got to examine the market before Monday morning and place trading stops of 7 pips or something like that. Because 5 pips, what I notice, it stops out faster. When it gets around 5.5, 6 pips, all of a sudden, boom, it's gone. We get stopped out. It's too close. Some brokers, they do that way. And this is the case. Not all the time, but mostly what I've seen, I like to be more in control of that. But anyways, we can only lose so much in here to protect our losses, but everything is set. All right, so I hope you have a great Friday evening. Great weekend. Festive season is just around the corner. So, once again, I wish you the best. God bless, and have a great weekend. Thank you.